Hello, Tutor LMS users. Welcome to our channel. Creating math quiz is not an easy task. But, once you finish this short video, creating hundreds of quizzes will be a breeze. So let us start. You will need 2 extra plugins to achieve this task. One is our plugin Tutor LMS Quiz Import plugin and the free MathJax plugin. Once you install both these plugins, download the import templates from the plugin settings page. Open the template file and fill the template with questions and options in LaTeX. Now, an important thing to note is that there are 3 types of opening and closing tags that initialize the LaTeX code. Usually, you need to write your question and answer options in LaTeX language and put them within the opening and closing LaTeX tag. But, if you find that in some cases, LaTeX did not work, put the question and answer options in LaTeX language surrounded with $$ or left slash, like this. Please see the description below. Write quiz title and description in the column A and B. Next, write your question title in column C. Now, if you want to enable settings, fill 1 or 0 in answer required, randomize, marks and show marks column. In our case, we are using $$ at the beginning and end of my codes. We have used LaTeX code in the questions description and answer options. Now, save our import template. Next, go to the plugin settings page, and first select the question type. In our case, we want to import multiple choice questions, so our selected option is multiple choice. And if you are filled with 5 answer options, you need to fill number 5 in the number options field. Now, upload your currently saved template and hit the import button. Next, you need to select the course and topic to assign quizzes to the course. This step is required every time you import quizzes. And wow! Your quizzes will import within a second and also attach to course. Isn't it great? So, let's see how it looks from the front end. An important note is that, if you want to increase the font size of the right-click on the LaTeX code on the front end, you need to visit MathJax settings. Select Math Renderer option and select SVG option. Your LaTeX code will by default show in the normal font size. But on right-clicking, the font size will go up. That is how you can create math quizzes on Tutor LMS courses. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on Tutor LMS.